Guys, I am literally so excited. I've got another message through from past member of the cleanse who's coming back to join us for another cleanse just this morning, and we are getting ready. We have just one more day before we start, but we're already prepared and we're already up for the challenge. And it's really not that much of a challenge. And if you're feeling as if it's too much, possibly, you don't know what to expect, I'm going to explain a little bit more in this video so that you can understand the benefits and why I'm so excited. So the first thing you need to know about cleansing is it is a vital skill for us all to have. Really, truly, bringing ourselves back into balance and feeling healthy and whole is something that we should all be doing. In fact, I would like to teach all children in schools to learn this skill because it is a gentle process. It's a natural process that our bodies enjoy immensely. And the reason why it's called a vitality cleanse is because it makes you feel so vital. So there's nothing to be scared of. It's all just a simple approach with our diet, with bringing in whole, natural, juicy, tasty, wonderful plant-based foods into our diet. 2, if you've got food addictions and you're feeling like, oh, I'm gonna miss out and I don't know what I'll do if I don't have my coffee in the morning, fret not. It's the taste that you're actually missing. So we have alternatives for you that are in our cleanse portal that are going to help give you that bitter taste, hit the right note, and allow you to still go without these habits without ease. You know, we don't want food to become the master of us. We want to master our body for ourselves by nourishing it well. And that's one thing that the cleanse is excellent at doing. You are not going to feel like you're missing out one bit. And people have often said to me afterwards, oh, I thought I'd miss the sugar. Oh, I thought I'd miss this and that. But they are so happy that they've overcome themselves. So the cleanse makes you feel vital and wonderful. You don't want to miss out. So get your vitality cleanse before it's too late. No, seriously, before the season's up, you want to do your cleanse to feel fantastic, boost your immune system for the rest of the year and get a grip of those nasty food addictions before the holidays come in. Bye.